Hello, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And tonight I want to show you some software packages for SDRs and SDRs in general, and then some specific ones that I'm trying to get working. So we can go to this web page here. Let me go back to the top of the page. Geez, this is my second attempt at this show, so that's why I was down. This is rtl-sdr.com, and this is the page big list RTL SDR supported software. And this is a big list. It was updated most recently in December of 2015. So you can see it's a little behind, and there are dozens and dozens of new software packages for these SDR radios and dongles coming out every day, and I'm trying some of the latest ones this past week, and I'll show you where I'm at there in a few minutes. But here's the listing. I mean, here's SDR Sharp, HTSDR, SDRradio.com, and it just goes on and on and on and on. Just tons of programs for these, either the dongles or the radios or whatever. So anyway, I want to show you where I'm at. So let me close this down. These are the recent software packages that I'm using with my FiFISDR. Trying to get them to work. Some I've got to work, some of them not. Here are some other programs that I've used with other SDR dongles that I have. For instance, HTSDR, SDR Sharp, SDR console version 2. Now, these are the ones that I'm trying to get working with the FiFi, as I said. The Radio J10 FiFi was the software package that came with the radio along with Rocky. I got this working, I would say perfect, but it has limitations. I've gotten SDR console version 3 working with FiFi. With the help of Rob, I've gotten Genesis working very well. It has some limitations. And I have not gotten Rocky to work. It's a simpler program made for the FiFi. I don't know why I can't get it to work. And the one I've been trying for 3 or 4 days to work is SDRuno. And we'll open that right now, and I'll show you what progress I have made. So let's open that up. So here is how it is once you get it set up. First, when you first set it up, you just get this page, and then you got to do some setup, and then you can click on these buttons here that will open these other pages, or windows, not pages, windows, for doing different things. You know, graphic displays, controlling the radio, etc. And there's, I think, 1 or 2 more that I don't have open. Um, and you can resize these, so, and move them around. You know, you can move this stuff around. See there, I can move that down here, whatever. So this is a pretty versatile program, but I can't get it to work properly. The problem is if I go down here to settings, this is the main settings for the radio. And if I go to input, it shows complex baseband radio, which the FiFi is. But note, it says down here, no EXTIODLL found, which that's the driver for the particular SDR you're using. And I got the driver, I got it from Rob, and I put it in the directory this program is in, but it won't recognize it. I'm pulling my hair out. Rob's been helping me, and we've been making little baby steps. Okay, I, I got it so it kind of works, but I'll show you. So let's close this window, and we'll do play. And you can see that I'm receiving something. And it says it's at 6.992.2. Don't believe that. It's not there. It also says it up here. I can scroll through these sets of frequencies that are shown on this window, but I can't go outside it. For instance, if I go up here and I click on this and I put in 5,000 or 5 megahertz, whoops, I put too many numbers, do it again, 5, 1, 2, 3 for 5,000, it changes this, but you'll notice the waveform didn't change whatsoever. So it really didn't change the band that I'm seeing. So something is still amiss. Now, for instance, I can move the frequency. Well, actually, it does look at, it sounds like 5 megahertz, but what I did, and I'll turn it up for a second. What I did is in the Genesis software, I set the frequency to 10 megahertz. So when I come to this program, I don't seem to be able to change the frequency, but it is hearing what's coming out of the radio. So I don't know what the heck is going on. And like you heard, let me turn the audio back up. I can tune around. See?
We're going into a break. That's my Tupperware lady.
See, I can tune the radio in this band, but I can't get to go outside the band. For instance, these buttons here are to direct tune to one of the amateur radio bands. So for instance, if I push 40 for 40 megahertz band, not 40 megahertz, 40 meter band, it changed the frequency, but the waveform didn't change whatsoever. So it didn't really change the frequency. So I don't know what I'm missing. And as you can see, under settings, input, no DLL found. That's the problem, I think. And Rob last suggested, let me turn this audio down. He last suggested that I take the FiFISDR and put it in multiple places. Put it in the Windows directory, put one in the System32 directory. I already had one in the directory that this program is in. I still can't get it to find it. So I don't know what's wrong. If you have any suggestions, I'd appreciate it, because this program looks pretty good. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.